So today we're taking care of a Xbox Series X that someone was able to predict the future. Seriously though, we do offer insurance, $50 at checkout. Especially if you have kids, it's definitely a good investment. This client happened to see the value in that and purchase it and end up being correct. So especially if you have kids, you want to consider the insurance at checkout. Only $50 covers you a whole year. And then if it happens to get physically broken again, then you are not liable. You just have to set an appointment and bring it on down. We'll take care of the rest. So they will be presented the option again at checkout. Well, I shouldn't say checkout because there's no balance due, but you know what I mean. At pickup, they'll be offered the opportunity again. I would like to think they'll take it again just to be safe because it's really good investment. There's a lot on there. There we go. Oops. Need more sana. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you like what you see. Be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.